Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to use Zoom on laptop. So to use Zoom quickly, you can use a combination of Windows and plus buttons at the same time. And this will enable the magnifier on your PC. You'll also see a tab like this, and then on this tab you'll be able to zoom out and zoom in using minus and plus icons respectively. You can reset the size of the zoom by using these two icons right here. You can play the text from your screen by pressing this button right here.
Desktop 1.
So it's at desktop 1 because we are on a desktop right now, and if you use this icon right here, then you'll be able to start reading text from the specific place on your display. So if you select it,
Recycle bin.
it will read from the spot that you selected. And in the settings you can change the speed of the magnifier from slow to fast by moving this slider right here, and you can also change the voice of the reader. And you can also enable the screen magnifier in settings. You can go there by clicking this button right here, or you can normally access your settings by clicking the start menu, go into settings, then selecting accessibility, then selecting magnifier, and by switching this toggle you can enable it again. You can change the zoom level here in settings and zoom increment to, and also you can change the view, which is the most important part. You have three options: full screen magnifier, which you just saw, the docked magnifier, and the lens magnifier. The docked magnifier looks like this, and the lens magnifier looks somewhat like this. Okay, and so each magnifier has specific settings. So for a lens magnifier we can change the lens size by moving these two sliders so you can adapt it to your needs. For the docked magnifier you can make it follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and the narrator cursor. And for the full screen magnifier you have basically all the same options that you have for docked magnifier, plus you can keep the mouse pointer or text cursor either within the edges of the screen or center it of the screen by switching this in this list, settings list. And that's basically all you need to know. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.